Hello, this is Dabgen Engineering. I'm going to show you how to draw a floor plan in AutoCAD. So first of all, this is the interface of AutoCAD. We're going to start by editing and changing the layer level, the layers from the default to floor plan. After we do that, now we are going to start drawing by introducing a polyline. So this is a polyline I'm drawing using PL as a command, P and L as capital letters. So initially the line is going in any direction, in multiple direction, but I want to lock it to only one direction, or two direction, vertical and horizontal. So this time it's going into vertical and horizontal only, but the line is showing very long distance. The units of distance is very long, so I'm going to zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, so that the units are reduced. So I've zoomed in, and as you can see now the units are small. So I'm going to be to type now. So 3600, a line which is 3600, I'm going downwards 3600 again. Okay, after 3600, I'll continue again to the right again. This is a bedroom I'm working on, 3600. I press enter, just like that. On the right side, I'm not clicking here, by the way. I'm just entering amounts using the keyboard. So that's it. So I've captured 3600. Okay, 1200 there. Just like that, I'm entering and I'm moving on. Bit by bit, I'm moving on. And here I've created a bathroom, right? Just like that, just like that. This is a garage, okay? So this is a garage. I've entered 1002, and this is 2000. From there, now I'm going to enter 2000 again. Then I click there, I enter, just like that. This is how we draw a polyline. So after I draw a polyline, here I'm going to pause the video and continue afterwards. So this is all it is about. Okay, so another line, this is where I wanted it to end. There it goes, just like that. That's the polyline I'm drawing. From there, this is the kitchen I'm working with. No, this is the living room, a dining room for that, not a living room, a dining room. And then I go to the right. This is the kitchen I'm drawing now. So I'm using polar tracking. Okay, I want the line to end right there where I've clicked. So it's snapping up to that point. So this is the kitchen. No, this is a dining. Yeah, this is still a dining. Yes. Then this is a kitchen I'm drawing. Okay, kitchen. Then I've gone there. The line was too long. I entered 42,000. So I need to undo by entering U, then enter, or U or space and space. So I've undone that one. And then I've entered 4,200. From there now, I've protracted there. That's a bathroom now. A communal bathroom for these three bedrooms. That will be this side bedroom, one bedroom, two bedroom, three. So this is how it goes. And then from there, I'll start in another bedroom. And then for the sake of time, I'm going to pause this video and continue again so that we save some time. Okay. So Let me pause the video for now. I save some time for you because the video will be very long and the explanation will be very, very long also. So I'm pausing the video right now after this moment. Okay. All right. I'm trying to join here. Okay. So I'm pausing the video now. I've paused the video and I'm starting now. After I've finished, this is how it will look like. And with some walls. So after here, I'm going to offset the walls. So I'll offset the walls by selecting highlighting everything, and then click offset distance 150. I've offsetted everything just like that, and then from there, you've seen the walls are double now, meaning the thickness of the walls is 150 millimeters, which is 15 centimeter. Okay, I've changed the layer now. I'm changing the layer color of the lines and every characters that are there to red so that it becomes visible. Okay, so this is the color that I like. So I'm trying to make this. Okay, after I've done that, now I'm offsetting. After that, where there need then comes the need to put a line. I'm drawing a polyline there. I I snap there on snap mode. Okay, I write the line there. I draw a line, then it ends there. It makes a corner and it ends there. Okay, from there, that's how it goes. Right from now, I've shown you how to draw lines, a polyline, how to trim. So the next thing we are going to talk about now is trimming. As I'm drawing these lines, I'll show you how to trim. So here I'll just highlight the line and trim so that the wall becomes continuous, the brickwork. Okay, yeah. So I'll pause the video and forward it. Fast forward. So here I'm just going to show you how to trim. I've zoomed in and then I've started again. So this is how it goes. There it goes, bit by bit. Okay. This is how it's done. So I'm trimming there. Okay, trim. Okay, I'm cleaning the projects, select everything. Then I type TR for trim. Then I zoom in there where they are intersecting. I've clicked and clicked there. Okay, so I've pressed shift to extend this line that I've trimmed accidentally. There is a connection I've trimmed. This side I need to trim also. Trim where you can trim when it's zoomed out, you can trim where you cannot see clearly, you zoom in using a mouse wheel by scrolling up and outwards respectively. So there I've trimmed. Okay, so where you make a mistake, you click, you type U for undo. Okay, just like that. There it goes. I pause the video for fast forward so that I don't waste much of your time and your bundle in downloading this video and watching it. So I'm drawing now insertion of openings on the wall. So I've drawn a polyline there to cut the wall. Then I've said offset 600. I'm going after I type offset 600. Um, I click on the right and on the left respectively. After that, I'll highlight everything, press escape, then I write all that part, and then I type trim, TR for trim, then enter, then click there, click here also, and there, then escape, then highlight the middle part and delete it. So and then I'll join now by typing J and enter. So it's done. So I'm going to show you this part also, polyline, polar tracking from the central line, from the center of the line. I'll click there. After I click, I'll click the other end for the intersection. And then I'll click the line, offset 600, I offset to the left side, then I offset to the left side by clicking on the right side and on the left side respectively. Highlight every line, all the lines that are there, and then this time I just highlight everything there, then automatically it will delete the other part. Then here I'll just press delete and type J, key in J as a command to join the lines. So the lines have been joined, as you can see. This side, this is the whole line, and that one is whole line. So I pause the video again to show you how the work will look. So this is how it has come out after I'm done with the trimming of openings. So these are the openings, openings. So they are doors and windows respectively. So this is how it will look without windows being inserted. So now I'm going to show you how to insert blocks. So the blocks that I'll start working with are windows. So I want to deactivate certain members of the certain layers, by the way. Okay, so here it's asking me, do you want to switch off the current layer? I say yes. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm going to insert, I'll look for a block that I'm looking for. Okay, in this case it's a window, so I'm looking for where I'm going to insert this block. Okay, it cannot show, but I've clicked, but it's not showing. Why? Because the layer is out. So let me switch off switch on the layer. Let me try from the car. I've clicked there, it's not showing. What's the problem? The problem is the layers are off. So let's see. I try with another one. Okay, there I'm looking for a window, a 120 by 120 window for the kitchen and the rest of the bedrooms. So it's not there, it's not coming up. So this time around I need to look for something else. There comes a window, a door. Okay, click there, that one has come. It's not showing also. Okay, so that's it. Let's go to layers, then okay, that's it. So now we need to change the layers. Okay, so those are some of the projects I'm working on. So we change the layers now. The layer on. So we have changed, switched the layers, switched on the layers. This is what I was setting, though it couldn't be visible at that particular moment. So this is how it is. The doors, the vehicle, and the window. These are blocks that I created initially. So in the next video, I'll show you how to create the blocks themselves. Okay. I'm moving now this window to where it's supposed to be. So it cannot fit properly. I'll highlight it. I'll select the window, then pick the vertex from there. I've said move, aim for move, then pick the vertex and press it on the other vertex. So as you can see, it's properly fitted. So I'll go again on the insert. I look for the door. There comes the door. I fit it there. Okay, and then highlight, then rotate, move. Then after I move it there, I'll rotate now. RO for rotate, then press space or enter, and then click the base point, then move the cursor to where I want it to be, and then it has automatically rotated. So I'm going to insert another block this time around, another block which is let me see. Okay, I can pick which one. This window. Okay, this is the 120 window, the kitchen window. I've inserted it there. Okay, I highlight, press M for move, then space, then click the base point and align it like that. So this is how it goes. So from there now, I'll pause the video again, and then I've inserted now everything, the windows, the door, and this is the floor plan for now. This is where it ends. Okay, this is where it ends. I've inserted everything is aligned. Now in the next tutorial we are going to talk about everything is aligned. We are going to talk about dimension and text. So subscribe to the channel and follow, like, comment and share. You comment, you comment where you feel you didn't understand, so that in the next video I improve in explanation. So thank you so much, and bye bye for now. Okay.